All you need is 60 seconds to make $5.89. You heard that right. You can make $5.89 over and over again every 60 seconds. Now, I want you to look at this $5, $7, $10, or even $20 being sent directly to your PayPal account. This is a new and different thing. This plan isn't talked about by anyone else. Now, I don't know why. It seems like they're just trying to keep this quiet and make money on their own. I don't care about that because I think that's pretty self-centered. Now, the point of this video is to really help you get results and make your first $100, $300, or even $500. Here, you can make as much money as you want, and the sky is the limit. With the money you made, you might be able to have more freedom with your time, money, and where you live. You might be able to buy a new house or car. You might be able to buy a new phone or computer, or some of you might want to pay off your debts or help your family and loved ones. You can do so much with the money you make, and it all starts with this video. In just a few minutes, I'll show you everything step by step right here on this video. And don't worry, it's all free. There's no need to invest, and yes, this is available everywhere in the world. So let's get into the video. First, I want you to go to YouTube and search for this keyword, motivational video. From there, you can find different videos that other people have posted. On this website, they get hundreds of thousands or even millions of views. You don't have to make your own videos, so don't worry. There's no YouTube and there's no camera. But in this video, I'll show you a special way to make money from other people's YouTube videos and get paid through PayPal. Now you have to watch this video right here and check out this offer. The best motivational video has more than 61 million views, while this one has 61 million. People are very interested in motivational videos. Now moving on to the next step, I want you to choose 3 videos from this entire list right there. I just open up this video in a separate tab. From there, you can see the first YouTube video here, Stop Wasting Time, the best motivational video, and moving on, which is the second video from there. That's the third video that opens up. So that's all you have to do for step number 1, which is to choose 3 different YouTube videos on this topic. So let's move on to the second step. I want you to go to UI.io, where you can basically make PayPal money and get paid every time someone clicks on your link. Again, this is totally free. You don't have to invest any money, you don't need a credit card, and you don't have to sell anything or send anyone else to the site. There's no affiliate marketing going on, and the idea is pretty straightforward. You only need to make a free call on UI.io, and the second step is to shorten your link. I'll show you how to do that. And finally, every time someone clicks on your shortened link, you will get money through PayPal. And that's exactly how people from different parts of the world are able to get money every single day. Here you can keep seeing $12, $20, and $19, and you can get paid per click. Now you'll get paid different amounts of money based on who clicks on your link. Say, for example, that people from the United Kingdom will get paid $7 if they click on your link. And let's say that when someone from Norway clicks on your link, you get $5. On their website, you can see all of the different prices. But again, the idea is the same. Shorten your link and get people to click on it so you can get paid over and over again. So that's exactly what we're going to do. We're going to go to YouTube and make 5 different videos just like the 3 I just showed you. From there, you can find this share button by scrolling down below. Here you can see that if you click on the share button, you can find a link to YouTube. Here you can see that it's a link to YouTube. To copy this link, you can just click the copy button. When people click on this link, they will basically go to YouTube to watch these motivational videos. But instead of just sharing this YouTube link, we're going to copy it and go back to UI.io to shorten it. Again, in just a moment, I'll show you how to do this with a brand new account. And when people click on your shorter link, you'll get paid. And now the next question, which is how to get free visitors and traffic and get people to click on your shortened link. That's the problem. And I want to show you this copy and paste script there. As you can see, this script's main name is basically motivate yourself like never before. And this is the last part of the article I wrote for you. And we're going to use this script right here, which you can copy and paste, and we'll just enter and insert our shuttle link into this column, as you can see here. So all we have to do is copy and highlight the whole script right here, then click the copy button. Right, copy the script, and I'll show you in a moment how you can use this copy and paste template to get money from PayPal every day. But first, I'll show you how to create a free account. To sign up for free, all you have to do is click on this button. That will bring you to this page. We can sign up for a free and new membership, as you can see here. All you have to do is bring your username, email address, and password and sign up for free. Then when you log into your brand new account, you'll see that. Now you can pretty much see how many clicks you get and how much money you make every day. Now if you're logging into a brand new account, you'll see 0 because you haven't yet shortened any links. And I want to show you this exact example with a brand new account so that if you are watching right now, you can copy everything I show you and start making money through PayPal. Now all you have to do is click on this button that says New shorten link. This box will open up as you can see here. So all you have to do right now is go back to YouTube. And for example, this is the first video we chose right now. So just scroll down to the bottom and click the share button. I want you to copy this URL link to YouTube right there. Then we'll just have to go back to our dashboard and paste the YouTube URL link into this box. And for the Alliance, all you need to do is type Motivate1 and click the short-term button. As you can see here, they'll automatically help us turn this YouTube URL link into a special UI.io shorten link. When people click on this thing, they'll go to YouTube and start watching videos, and boom, you can get paid per click. So right now you just have to copy this shortened link right there, and we'll just have to go back to our copy and paste script and scroll down below and look for this section to paste our shutdown link into this column. So now we'll just do the same thing again by going to the second column to add a second link. Now if you add more links, you will make more money because more people will click on them. So that's why I want you to search YouTube for different videos. Let's just say that this is the second video. All I have to do is use the same plan again. Click the share button and copy the URL link. Then go back to the dashboard and delete everything. Get rid of everything and put the link there. This is the second video, and you can type in Aliso and Motivate2, then click the short-term button. As you can see here, that's the second link, Motivate number 2. So just click the copy button and then go back to our script, scroll down to the second section, and paste the link there. Now you can do this as many times as you want. I usually only put 3 links on one document and one template. Now, once you put your shortened link into the document, all you have to do is click File and Download to save this as a PDF. As you can see, I was able to download this PDF to my computer, so I can now start putting things on the final website. So let's move on to the last step. This is where you can get a lot of people, a lot of free traffic, and people to click on our short-term link. So I want you to go to slideshare.net right now. People post different documents and slides on this website to share different kinds of information with other people. So this is just one example of a document and slide that people post up on slideshare.com. And once again, you can sign up for a free account. All you gotta do, just click on the sign up button right on top, and that's gonna take you to this page where you can sign up for a free account. From there, click the upload button at the top, which will take you to this page where you can upload a file. And that's right here on slideshare.net, where we can upload the PDF file. And as you can see right here on slideshare.net, they have over 169 million people visit them every month. A lot of people visit this website. They want to learn something, so you can share this document with other people for free so they can read it and learn something. If they want to learn more or watch a video, they can click on your link and go to YouTube to watch this high-quality video. They have more than 1 million views on YouTube, which is a good thing for both of them. You can share a good video with other people and get paid per click directly into your PayPal account. This is how people from all over the world make money. Using this method, they can make $5, $7, or even $50 or $100 every day. Now, if you want an easier way to make quick money online, go there and watch this video to learn more about how we can start making money right now. So this is all for today. If you like this video, please click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to click on the notification bell for more videos. I'll see you in the following video. Thanks for watching.